What's good, you guys? Welcome to another weekly Outlook video. I hope these videos are helping you. You are having some kind of bias to look forward for the next week. And in saying that, if you have any suggestions, any currency, anything that you want me to take a look at, please comment below so that I know that you are enjoying these videos. They are of some help to you. And yeah, and of course, if you have anything that you want me to analyze for you, feel free to comment below. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's dive into this. We have USD CAD. We are bearish on a monthly, I suppose, and this is even on a weekly chart. We are bearish, in my opinion. We have broken structure partially, and right now we are compressing at a demand area, which will clearly lead to a drop below. Let's go on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, we have closed into a demand area, and now you can on Monday you can expect a continuation in the drop, followed by a small reversal. Maybe not really sure, but most likely we will end up going sideways, because if we want to break this, which I'm sure we will have to spend some time over here, compress over there, like small size candles form a supply area, something like this candle, and followed by a major drop. So this is pretty much what can happen on USD CAD. I'm overall bearish. Find whenever you see premium levels on USD CAD, you try and take short opportunities. Let's go to odd USD quickly. So on odd USD, I'd shared this previous setup that this is a very major supply area, and we stop hunted that and broken structure right now. And in my signals group, in my on my Telegram channel, link is in the bio and description below. You can feel free to join that. I had shared this particular signal of odd USD to sell it from this particular supply area. However, we stop hunted that particular thing, and of course then reverse back down. Now here was a learning for me. Every pair has a behavior on their own, of their own, right? And you just need to spend very good amount of time to understand that. For a better part of my life, I've been trading gold, so I understand its behavior very well, right? So that is why my analysis on gold is, I would say, compared to any other analysis, it's much more accurate and much more precise, right? So yeah, as you know, it's very obvious that whenever you're losing, you find reasons why did your trade not work, right? And what I could understand, what I could make of this is that it's just the behavior of odd USD. Even going back and back testing this, I realized that it is just the behavior of odd USD, that if at all it is at a key supply or a key demand, or any key support resistance, it will slightly go above that stop hunt, make you feel that market is not really holding up to your levels, and you might end up changing your bias. But in my opinion, I think for odd USD, if you are swing trading, just wait for your supply to breach, and then on a break of any support, smaller support, or on any resistance being formed, you try to take a sell opportunity. Let's take a quick look on US oil. So on US oil, we I shared the previous view that 82.35 is a level from where I don't think so. Until that is broken, we cannot be looking for longs. And yeah, we reverse back from there. Right now, what's happening is we are currently again going to that particular supply area. So in my opinion, if we spend some good time over here, right, if we start compressing over here, smaller candles in size, and your swing lows become lower and lower, you can expect a nice bullish momentum up till maybe even, yeah, maybe even about 94, 95, to be honest. If this happens, we can go that bullish. If this does not happen, I think we will continue with our original bias, which was bearish, falling right into this demand area, right? So yeah, let's see how this plays out, or else I'll keep updating about this. Let's take a quick look on GBP USD. GBP USD, very perfect, picture perfect setup. I had shared this particular supply area, and we, tapped right into that, reversed big time. This is a good, almost 3.8% current drop, right? And this demand area from where I had suggested to take longs, we never tapped into that, so there was no need for you to take any long positions. Simply what price did is it formed a demand area, went to the previous supply area, tapped into that, and reversed back down. So this was a very good sell opportunity in my opinion. And now what you can do is simply wait for prices to come back over here. I am not very certain if this will hold, but I think it's worth taking a risk for at least I think this particular supply area. This might look like a small move, but it's clearly not. 1.5%. And then yeah, most likely will continue dropping below until, based on a 4 hour time frame, we can drop as low as this 1.14116, and maybe even as low as 1.1200 odd levels, right? So this is just a 4 hour view. Let's take a quick look on weekly. So yeah, even weekly looks bearish, to be honest, and I think 1.16 is also possible in coming weeks. Yep, let's wait. Still short on GBP USD. You can feel free to short until a major demand area, which is, I think, at least the first demand area, easiest target on a swing basis on a weekly, like at least upcoming next 2 or 3 weeks. We can expect price to reach this particular level. Let's take a quick look on DXY. So on DXY, we are going as planned. I'd shared two views. One will either come back down, tap into the major demand area, then go up. Right now, what you are seeing is we are currently contracting right over the supply area. The same thing that I mentioned for USOIL, it's happening on DXY. It's a very strong chance that we might be able to compress, continue, and break above this particular levels, these highs, which can lead to a rally at least until 107. I can see on DXY. Euro USD, so Euro USD as planned. So far there's nothing new. We were bearish on Euro USD. We had tapped into that particular order block in the previous video, and right now we are just dropping. Every premium level that you see, every pullback that comes in the market, take it as an opportunity to short. We are bearish, and this is, let's say, approximately this level is an easy target. 1.05431 is an easy target in my opinion. And now finally we have XAUUSD. That's gold for you. And let's take a quick look. Let's go on a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, as we had planned, this was our last particular supply area from where 1958 was the level which I shared, and we made a top of 1959. We dropped right close to 100 pips, and yeah, I think right now we have formed. I think most likely this could be a supply area. Could be on a daily. By supply area, what I mean is, in this particular week, we could see a candle something like this again, right? So this week could be again highly bearish. Let's take a look on weekly. What's happening on weekly is, uh, so this was a level on a weekly time frame, sorry, on a daily time frame, which I was looking forward to, where we can expect some kind of halt. So now, technically, we were supposed to, if we were very bullish, we were supposed to continue this rally right when we tapped into approximately 1860 levels, right? But we are not able to sustain the bullish momentum, and currently I am seeing weakness on gold. So based on a daily time frame, what I feel is we most likely will have a bearish day on Monday. If not, then there is one more possibility that we can go slightly up, right? Let's say trapping buyers or maybe even sellers, and then continue dropping below. This is also one more possibility. Overall, I am just bearish on gold. No matter what pullback do you see, what high levels do you see, I just am interested in taking shorts and not longs. Counter trend intraday shorts are fine, but just make sure that you are aggressively trailing them, point number one. And point number two, make sure that your targets are very very safe. They're very small and very safe. Don't try to aim for 1900 or anything of that sort, because in my opinion we won't witness that very soon. All right. And yeah, just look for opportunities to keep taking short positions. In the next target that I see on gold is 1840, 1830 something. Yeah, 18, a range between 1833 to 1840 is my next target. We can easily go up till that point, somewhere around this. So yeah, I would be interested to look what price action happens over here. What kind of bullish moves do we give? But in my opinion, it's very clear that we are very soon coming into 1840 1830 region. So yeah, be prepared. Don't carry unnecessary long positions on gold. So, yes, guys, I think this is it from my side. If you found this particular video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to not miss such weekly outlook videos. Let me know if these videos are helping you, and if you have any other suggestions, feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think about these videos, and if you have any anything that you want me to analyze for you, again, just comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Let's make this a little more interactive. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.